In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten layers in an image editor. Flattening layers is a quick way to combine everything you see into a single final layer. This is especially useful when you're ready to export or share your work and you no longer need to move individual elements around. Keep in mind, flattening is a destructive change, meaning your separate layers become one. So make sure you're confident about your layout and edits before you proceed. First, click on both layers. Look at your layers panel and make sure each of the layers you want to merge is selected. You should see them highlighted, which confirms they're active. If you have more than 2 layers, but only want to merge 2 specific ones, be careful to select just those. The goal here is to tell the software exactly which layers you're combining, so both layers need to be visibly selected before you move on. Next, right-click. This opens the context menu that's specific to the layers you've selected. You should see options related to layer handling, such as grouping, duplicating, or converting. What you're looking for is the option that finalizes your edit by merging the selection into a single layer. Then, click on Flatten. The moment you do this, the program merges the selected layers into one. You'll notice a few things right away. Your layers panel will now show a single, combined layer, and individual controls for the previous layers won't be available. This is normal and confirms the flatten worked. Depending on your document settings, transparent areas may be preserved or may convert to a solid background. If transparency matters for your final output, check your canvas or background settings before flattening so the result matches your needs. If you realize you needed to tweak something after flattening, use undo while your session is still open. Once you save and close, reopening the file will keep the flattened state. So think of flattening as the finishing touch before export or delivery. That's all there is to it. Click on both layers so they're selected, right-click to bring up the context menu, and click on Flatten to merge them. It's a simple, dependable way to lock in your design and keep your file lightweight and ready to share. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a try on a practice file to get comfortable with the process.